looking at barbecuing obviously on Weber BBQs, and we're looking at a full range of barbecues, gas, charcoal and gas, and the idea of that really is to get it out of people's heads that everything tastes better on charcoal, because it doesn't. You can be a complete beginner, so we have people that don't even own barbecues and they might then come into the events to see what type of barbecue to purchase. We have all age groups, male and female, we've even had children at them, so any level. The main thing is they have a bit of fun. You know, it's hands-on cooking, so they're split into two teams. There's a little bit of competition going on, so they have great fun, and they're learning how to cook so many different dishes on the barbecue. It just takes away the mystery of it, really.
Here at the Orchard, we carry a multitude of barbecue brands, including our flagship brand Weber, as well as the world's leading wood pellet grills Traeger.
Brilliant event, and I'd highly recommend it to anyone that's thinking of coming to do it. Very informative, everything's there, and the cook is brilliant as well.
You can learn a lot about barbecue and just different styles, even making chocolate cakes.
I thought it was excellent, very comprehensive, gave a very, very good knowledge as to which kind of barbecue and how you cook on each one. I would definitely recommend it to all of my friends.
So they can log on to theorchard.ie and they can book via there, or they could contact the garden centre by phone.